In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Signal private messenger app not working problem on an Android device, on an iOS device. It's a simple tutorial. It will take you a few seconds, so make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video whatsoever. Let's start. So if you have issues with the Signal app and you just won't start, there's a few things you can do. Let's start with an iPhone. I'll basically make this video for an iPhone, but it's very similar for an Android device. You want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store on an Android device, and you want to search for Signal. So sometimes what can happen is there's some error that Signal is aware of, and you want to open up the Signal app and actually make sure there's no update. If it just says open, you're all good. If it says update, you gotta make sure you update the Signal private messenger app. If this doesn't help, something that you can do that I found out that works for a lot of people is actually going on your settings, going over to general, clicking on iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you wanna let this load up, and now you gotta find the Signal app. It should be somewhere around here. Let's see where it is for me. Give me a few seconds. Signal. If you can't find it, you can just search for it. Signal, here it is, and you want to click on offload the app. This will basically reset all the settings around the app, and this works for most people. Make sure you give this video a like, and I want to see you in the next video. Bye.